Hey everybody, it is Friday Night Lights and it's Matt Kofchinsky and this is your Lindapter Spotlight. I'm here at the Pennsylvania quarterfinal state playoffs with the 4A. The home school, or right now where my son goes, Southern Lehigh football, is going to play against Shamokin. And this is a brand new gate that Blue Mountain Eagles put in. And let's take a look at some of the Hollo-Bolts that are put on here. All right, we're just gonna get a little quick close-up here of what was done. So you have the swinging gates, and the swinging gates were attached to the HSSs. You can see right here, HSS, and right there, you got the Lindapter Hollo-Bolt, baby. So perfect use for this with the HSSs. Great job, looks great, and hopefully we come out with a win.